Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to watch Euro Cup live free. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So firstly, we have official streaming applications, and as you can see on the screen, depending on your country or location, certain channels, certain applications have got the official broadcasting rights to stream all of these games. So just look for your country's name on the screen and see which apps are available for you. For example, if you're in the UK, you can use the two applications, it and also the BBC and iPlayer. If you're based in Switzerland, you can use the RSI website or app, and so on. The second way is to use different streaming websites, and fortunately, most of these official streaming applications like the BBC, iPlayer, like the ITV Hub, both have official websites. So really, you can just open any browser, and you can watch all of these games absolutely free by using a VPN. So that's basically how you can watch Euro Cup live free. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.